Good afternoon and welcome to Toolforce Tuesday. This week we're giving you a look at the Milwaukee M18 Tower Light. So this is the Tower Light kit. Comes in this very handy to carry bag, which also holds the battery charger and the two 5-amp batteries. So it's an M18 kit and it comes with two batteries and a charger. I'm going to bring it out of the bag and give you a look at it. So it's an IP54 rated light, so that means it is dust and water resistant. And we have a battery here, so the battery clicks in to the bottom. It'll hold right the way up to a 12-amp battery, but this kit comes with two 5-amp batteries. It's got a stable tripod, and you can fold it down as it is, or it can go right the way up to 2.1 meters high. So ideal. It's true view lighting as well, so ideal for electricians or plumbers alike. Up to 2,800 lumens of light that is, or you have 3 different light settings that it can come down from that if you don't need that. Ideal for site lighting or mobile tower lighting if you need it working outside. If you click the link on this video, it'll bring you straight to it on our website. This is available in store or online. You can buy it with batteries or without, with the battery kit, and it comes with the bag as well. Thank you very much for watching. It's Damien from Toolforce.